Hello and welcome to another update video about ADA. So ADA did that breakout, so it did hold the impulsive wave structure here. So where are we? I changed the subwaves a little bit, nothing too significant, but I've basically gone to account here on the lower levels, which is very similar to what Bitcoin and Ethereum are doing, where I believe they are doing a 1-2-1-2 setup, because obviously I can't count this a 1, 2, and 3. Because this was too short. This only reached like the 1-to-1 ratio and also came down to low. Again, there would be the possibility to count it as a leading diagonal, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But then this move up is quite impulsive. So I think the best what we get here in terms of bullish, short-term bullish count would be a 1-2-1-2. And now we've done the 3. We're now here in the wave 4 retracement, which ideally, I would say probably holds above that channel support here at around 26.2 cents. That was basically a breakout level here as well. Depending on how you draw, you can draw it with the just considering the wicks or just the closed candles. So that's always a bit subjective. I always like to use the wicks as well, but sometimes trend lines can get quite messy. And we should now come down in 4. We might be doing that right as we speak. So here we came down already to the 23.6% retracement, 26.38 cents. That's sort of what you would expect as a minimum for a wave 4. So here count already, minimum requirements fulfilled. And then you would ideally expect to move down to the 38.2 retracement, 26.13 cents, just because its probabilities tell us that in a wave 4 the target is normally the 38.2 retracement. It doesn't have to be, obviously, but it normally would be. But yeah, and then we would move up in a wave 5 ideally, and that wave 5, it should take us to, and there's a couple of ways how you can calculate a target for that. So the first way is to take the 61.8% extension of the third wave, and we add it to the low of the fourth wave. Now, of course, if the fourth wave comes a bit lower, we have to adjust it. If we consider the current low, it would be around the 27.4 cent area. Another way to calculate it would be to take the length of the wave 1 and then to go to the, no, that was the wrong wave 1, to go to the length of the wave 1 here, and we go to the low of the fourth wave, and that would take us a bit higher, that target, to 27.66 cents. Considering the 1.618 would also be a target, possible one, it could take us to 28.4 cents, but doing that for the fifth wave would be probably a bit of an overstretch. Seems a bit out of proportion to the rest. So yeah, I think we're looking here probably around the area around the 27.4 to 27.6 cent area, roughly. Okay, so that's sort of where we are at the moment. As long as we're holding now this wave 4 support area, we can go with this wave count, which means this will get very unlikely below 25.9 cents, below the 50% retracement. Below that level, it's getting again unreliable, but at the moment this is holding it. At the moment it's looking okay. I also look at Ethereum and Bitcoin to go a bit higher, so ADA could go a bit higher as well. This for me is all embedded in a structure of a wave 2. So corrective wave structures are always extremely difficult to forecast. So this could easily be a wave 2 at the end of the ABC. Said to you in yesterday's video, this wave 2 can stretch out quite a bit, because if we measure the retracements down of the entire wave 1, this could take us all the way up to 39.4 cents in the end, as a maximum, I would say, in this wave 2. But this would be the maximum. I'm primarily looking first of all as key resistance here at this trend channel, right? But if we zoom in, you can actually see that we've already just now reached resistance here, structural resistance, which is here around that 26.6 cent level. So getting above that would give us a bit of a push as well. So you've got here this breakout point at 26.65. It's a bit of a range anyway, but sort of in that area. Got a bit of a breakout, and then we can move higher. And the question is, and that's what we just need to take level by level. Therefore, I think stop losses, using stop loss and moving them up as we go is extremely important here if you trade this short term, because all of this could be part of the wave A, which will then come down in a B wave and then move up in a C wave, but then we would not go that high at all. And I'm not considering that too much because it would leave the wave 2 very shallow. Would be that this here was in fact a wave A. We've come down in the B wave already, and we're now moving up in the C wave, and that would be over here at the end of the 5th wave. That's possible, but not likely considering the entire length of the decline and the likely retracement you would get as a result. So we'll take it level by level. I keep you updated. Hope you liked the update about ADA. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, please check out the channel membership. Also, if you would like to support more crypto online, check out if you want to earn passive ADA with your ADA. You can delegate to our ADA stake pool. You can find links for that in the video description. And also, if you're interested, check out our trading course that we offer on morecryptoonline.com. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.